Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button to get more aquarium and fish keeping related videos. Today's video is all about how to build an internal sump or integrated sump in your aquarium. So, let's get started. These are the material you need to build this. This is the project design with all markings and dimensions. Here I cut the acrylic sheet to the diagram dimensions, and these are 6 partition walls of 2.5 into 14 inches. This is the big one 36 into 16 inches. Here I drilled some holes for input and cut as per design. Here I drilled 2 holes in 2 partition wall for different water level as input 1, 2, 3. This is for input 3. This is for input 2. This is for input 2. This is for input 3. This is for input 1. Finally I siliconate all the parts together as design. Now the water comes from this compartment, goes under the baffle to the next chamber and overflows into the third chamber to reach the return pump section. This is how it looks when all things fitted on place. After curing the silicone for 1 day, I installed all the filter media, heater and return pumps in the sump. First compartment is for mechanical media. Second compartment is for biological media. Third compartment is for heater or other biomedia. Now it is the time to fill the tank. These are the 2 power head which I salvaged from my 2 old top filter. Finally water is filling in the aquarium for any leak or failure. The water is very cloudy now. Let the sump on for a while. After 2 hours the water is much clearer than the time of filling. The sump looks pretty good and works nicely to clean the water. Keep your fish happy to happy yourself. Thank you.